We'll walk you through how to download and install apps on your Windows laptop or PC. If this tutorial helps, is super helpful, whether you're looking for games for fun or useful tools for productivity. To begin, click the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in Microsoft Store. Once it shows up in the results, click to open it. Inside the store, look over to the left-hand menu LC sections, like Apps, Gaming, and Entertainment. For now, I'll go into Apps to explore what's available. You can scroll through and check out a wide variety of apps, both free and paid. For example, here's Disney+. Click on it, and then press the Get button in the top right corner. To start downloading, in some cases, it may ask you to sign in before downloading. You can either select an existing account or press Use a different account. If you don't already have one, there's also an option to create a new Microsoft account. Once signed in, the download will begin. After it completes, the button will change to Open. Just click that, and your app will launch. If this guide helped you out, feel free to leave a like.